Coming into a position on your back. The feet are flat and the knees are up. The knees are lightly touching. The feet are wide on the mat, so it's as if the legs have created a series of triangles. The arms are on the side of the body, palms down. Feel the pelvic bone into the mat. Bring your attention up to the shoulders. Make sure the shoulders are relaxed. As they say, they're down, away from the ears. Down, relaxed and loose. Feel free to use a pillow for this practice. If you don't want to use a pillow, just make sure the forehead is the same height or higher than the chin. But a pillow is really nice, taking strain off the cervical spine, relaxing the neck. So this practice is what we call lower belly breathing or the pelvic tilt. It's an amazing practice that you can use for back health. You can use as a breathing exercise or as a nice mindfulness meditation. All our awareness is going to drop into the lower abdomen, below the ribs, above the pelvic region. There's going to be 3 things we focus on inhale and 3 things to focus on exhale. So let's empty out the out breath. So as you breathe in, the belly swells, rises. The lower back arches off the mat, and the pelvic bone, the bottom of the spine, pushes into the mat. Then as you exhale, we shrink in the belly, we flatten the lower back. Really exhale even more than you used to, where you almost engage in the core, and let the pelvic bone, the bottom of the spine, tilt off the mat. So inhale, belly rise, back arches, pelvic bone push into the mat. Exhale, belly shrinks, back flattens, pelvic bone tilts gently off the mat. As you do this practice, you want to feel that you're breathing in about 70-75%. Never want to feel any tension on the inhale, but really feel free to exhale more than you used to the point where you're actually engaged in the core. So we're going to do this for about 7 breaths. The mind wanders. Just note the mind wandering. With the next inhale, bring it back to the lower abdomen and begin. Once again, if the mind wanders to thoughts, feelings, sounds, no problem, just note it. And then bring it back to the lower abdomen. Let's see if for 3 more breaths, we completely bring our attention to this one area of our body. Be with the rising and falling of the belly. And we're going to do one more all together. So wherever you're at, just take one more exhale, empty out, empty out, empty out. And then as we breathe in, belly swell, lower back arch, pelvic bone push into the mat. And as you exhale, belly shrinks, lower back flattens, empty out, engage the core, pelvic bone tilts. Now holding at the bottom of the exhale for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let the palms go up. And let go of the technique and just take 3 relaxing breaths. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. And when you're ready to come out of the practice, you can slowly come out your own time, your own pace.